If you're looking for the future of remote IT support, GoTo Resolve might just be what you're searching for, but is it the best choice for your business? Stick around, and I'll break down everything you need to know about GoTo Resolve, its features, its strengths, and why you might want to consider other options as well. First, GoTo Resolve is designed to simplify IT support with a strong emphasis on remote troubleshooting. It allows IT professionals to access devices, fix problems, and offer solutions without the need for physical presence. That's a huge deal for businesses that need quick resolution without waiting for someone to show up. But there's more to consider before jumping in. Next, let's talk about the user interface. GoTo Resolve is clean, but some users have found it to be a bit clunky when compared to its competitors. While it's powerful, navigating through the dashboard can be overwhelming for those who are new to remote support software. The tools are there, but they might require a bit more time to get familiar with. Now, when it comes to remote access, GoTo Resolve does a solid job. You can quickly connect to any system, even with different operating systems in play, which is fantastic for teams using diverse setups. However, some users have reported connectivity issues from time to time, which can be a deal breaker for businesses that rely on smooth, uninterrupted IT support. For the price, you expect reliability, and that's something GoTo Resolve can improve. Moving on to collaboration features. GoTo Resolve allows real-time chat and screen sharing, which is essential for IT support teams. But it's not as robust as some other competitors like TeamViewer or even Zoho Assist, which offer more seamless collaboration. If you're running a large IT team or offering IT support at scale, this could be a limiting factor. GoTo Resolve's feature set is comprehensive, but could use some fine-tuning to match the competition. When it comes to integrations, GoTo Resolve shines a little brighter. It integrates well with other GoTo products, which can be helpful if you're already using other tools in the GoTo suite. However, for those who rely on third-party software or prefer more flexibility, it might feel restrictive. It's always important to know how easily a tool fits into your existing workflow, and GoTo Resolve can be a bit limiting here for some businesses. And lastly, the pricing. GoTo Resolve offers a subscription model that can be pricey depending on the number of users or the features you need. There are certainly alternatives that give you better value for money if you're just starting out or don't need all the bells and whistles. Some companies prefer the flexibility of scaling down without paying for extra and used features, and GoTo Resolve's pricing structure doesn't always offer that flexibility. Now, if you're considering GoTo Resolve, it's important to weigh these factors against alternatives. In fact, some tools actually excel in areas where GoTo Resolve may fall short. I'll go over some of those at the end of this video. So, here's the deal. GoTo Resolve does the job, but there are competitors out there with better pricing, more reliability, and smoother user experiences. I have a special offer for you today. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive, extended free trial to GoTo Resolve, so you can try it out for yourself. But that's not all. I've also included some amazing alternatives that are better suited for your goals with free trials of their own. You won't find these offers anywhere else. Check out the link in the description to get your best deal and make the most informed decision for your business's IT support needs.